NCERT.com.
Next question is to check a given polynomial is the factor of another given polynomial. That is, we have to check the factor. The question is, check whether the first polynomial, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Second polynomial by dividing the first polynomial, by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. First question is t raised to 2 minus 3, t square minus 3 is the first polynomial, and the second polynomial is 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. We have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. If the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial, then the remainder obtaining will be 0. If the remainder is not 0, the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. This is the method we have to adopt here. So we are finding the quotient and the remainder on division. 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is the given polynomial, and we have to divide this polynomial by t square minus 3. On dividing the first term of the dividend 2t raised to 4 by the first term of the divisor t square, we will get 2t square. That means 2t raised to 4 divided by t square, which is equal to 2t square. Thus, we are obtaining the first term of the quotient, which is equal to 2t square. Now, multiply t square into 2t square, which is equal to 2t raised to 4. And minus 3 into 2t square, which is equal to minus 6t square. Now we have to subtract. For that, we have to write minus 6t square below the square term. Below the square term, that is here. Minus 6t square, we have to write below the square term. Now changing the sign, this is minus and this is plus. We are changing the sign for subtraction. Now adding 2t raised to 4 and minus 2t raised to 4 will give you 0. Now bringing 3t cube and here minus 2 plus 6, minus 2 plus 6 will give you plus 4t square, plus 4t square. 6 minus 2 and the sign of the larger number is plus, so it is plus 4t square. Now bring minus 90 to the below, minus 90. Again we have to divide 3t cube by the term of the first term of the divisor, which is equal to t square. We will get 3t. t cube by t square is equal to t, and which is equal to 3t. So the next term in the quotient is plus 3t. Now again we have to multiply t square into 3t, which is equal to 3t cube, minus 3 into 3t, which is equal to minus 9t. Minus 9t below the term containing t. Again we have to subtract. For that, change the sign. Changing, it is minus 3 and it is plus 9. 3t cube minus 9t, 3t cube minus 3t cube, which will be 0. Bringing 4t square to the below, 4t square Minus 90 plus 90, again it is also 0. Now bring minus 12 here. Minus 12. Again, we have to divide 4t square by t square. 4t square divided by t square, which will give you 4. The third term of the quotient is 4. Again multiplying t square into 4, which is equal to 4t square. Minus 3 into plus 4 is equal to minus 12. Again subtracting, change the sign, minus, here it is plus. 4t square minus 4t square will give you 0. Minus 12 plus 12 also will give you 0. So the result is 0. That means the remainder is 0. Now we can write dividend. A dividend is equal to 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. And the divisor is equal to t square minus 3. We are obtaining the quotient as 2t square plus 3t plus 4, and the remainder, that is very, very important here. The remainder, the value of the remainder is the most important thing here. A remainder we are obtaining. The remainder as 0. Since the remainder is 0, t square minus 3 is a factor. Since the remainder is 0. Since the remainder is equal to 0, t square minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So, this type of questions also important. We have to decide whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. For that, we have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. If the remainder obtaining on division is 0, the first polynomial is a factor, and if the remainder obtained is not 0, the first polynomial will not be a factor. Okay.